Next on The Interviewer.
Cross.
Right now, I'd like to talk to you about the art of vocal and movement coaching.
Kailangan mo ng movement para magkaroon ng buhay.
Sobrang kailangan natin matutunan kung paano yung tamang pagkanta.
Are you gay? Are you proud? Say it clear, say it loud. Are you gay? Are you proud? Say it clear, say it loud.
Everyday marami kang pwedeng matutunan, no? So, kanta lang ng kanta. Pero dapat, alagaan natin yung boses natin. Yun ang pinaka-importante kasi hindi habang buhay nandiyan yan.
Kung naramdaman mo na kumakanta ka, kumanta ka ng kahit ano. Kung nararamdaman mo na sumasayaw ka at meron kang nararamdaman na group, ilabas mo yon.
The Interviewer.